Dear ladies and gentlemen, this is the video tutorial that will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Ttrd. Ttrd is the ransomware that is from the DJVU ransomware family. My video, of course, is solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to protect your files. So before the ransomware attack, you were able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents and all other data, but regretfully because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this ransomware called Ttrd may be easily injected into the system. Then, because of that, the files get damaged and encrypted. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is obviously not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. Don't pay the ransom, don't waste your money. I recommend you to immediately remove this horrible ransomware, Ttrd, with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For this, get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then once it gets successfully installed, start investigating your system. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button, and then there the program will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It has got anti-ransomware feature which helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data from all further ransomware attacks, but it does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium. You can request trial. And speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.